Hello, 2020 biology, biological science, and zoology graduates and your loved ones. If you do not know me, I am Sarah Helms-Cahan, the chair of the biology department. On behalf of all the faculty and staff in biology, I want to congratulate you on this monumental achievement and to express our dismay at not being able to tell you that here, in person, complete with hugs for the many of you whom we have gotten to know so well, as students, as advisees, and as lab members. But being remote does not diminish the extent of your accomplishments, both in the classroom and outside of it. And we know you have bright futures ahead of you that we can't wait to hear about when you get back in touch to tell us all about it. The events that prevent us all from celebrating together really illustrate far better than I could the immense value of a biology degree in these times. The world is going to need your skills. Whether you're headed toward a clinical or public health profession, an advanced life science degree, employment in the laboratory or in field-based biology, allied professions in education, in science journalism or government policy, or simply having the knowledge and the critical thinking skills to evaluate evidence and to make sound and reasoned decisions based on that evidence. Even beyond your major, I hope that you value the entirety of your liberal arts education here at UVM. As society is grappling with the very meaning of the ideas and values that we perhaps take for granted under normal circumstances. Community and freedom, rights and responsibility, diversity and equality, to list just a few. We have all watched you grow and mature, both academically and emotionally, and we are confident that you will go out into the world and you will make a difference in it. We salute you and everyone whose support helped you to get to this happy occasion. And again, congratulations.